Good day, everyone, and welcome back to another mukbang with the Ralphies.
Yeah.
Today in this mukbang we have
I have 2 chicken wraps and some taters.
I have a poutine, tater poutine. Look at that, and some chicken
Bites.
Chicken bites. Take a look at that, guys. Sweet.
Good choice.
Very good choice.
Yeah.
Look at that chicken, guys. We never done a mukbang in the car in a long time, guys. Which is a good thing.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
My chicken wrap.
I got honey mustard for dipping sauce. Look.
So good. Tater.
Look at that, guys. Have some.
Half.
No, take it off.
Have one. One bite. Chicken wrap.
No, thanks.
One bite. One bite.
I got a touch of the flu, so I better not touch it.
Yes, we were going to tell you guys. Yesterday we did our New Year's Day ASMR mukbang, homemade Chinese food. We had to do ASMR very quietly because Daryl's not feeling well his throat.
Look at this, guys. Cheese and gravy and those taters. Look. Try some.
No, okay.
Try a little bit before I dig into it.
Very cheesy.
Sweet.
Sweet nectar. So Santa Claus is soon going to come down. We're getting close to January 6th.
Look. Try another one, my love.
Good.
Look. Cheese and gravy on that tater.
My ranch chicken wrap.
Get over to my chicken bites again. My wife is going to eat them.
No.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Taters.
Chicken bite. Take a bite. Your buddy told you to take a bite. Good girl.
I'm good now. How's that poutine working for you?
Good.
Good?
Want some more?
No. Do you like it?
Everything cooked with grease is good. Oh. Oh.
So it's a brand new year. I have my own tater. Thank you.
No gravy on
I
it.
know. Thank you.
Flip it.
No, I'm good.
No.
I'm good, honey.
Dip.
It's a brand new year. What's some of your guys' New Year's resolutions?
Let us know. Sweet.
Some water, baby?
Back.
Oh, we can't drink out of the same bottle.
Oh yeah, that's right. I'll get mine later.
No, you're not.
So well.
Which case is open?
I'll get it later.
Tater.
Tater, anyone?
Broken tater.
Oh, that's so good. Salt is good for my flu too.
Mm-hmm. And you know what? Daryl never, ever, ever, ever gets cold, gets sick. Never.
I got a sore throat. Went out New Year's Eve to the fireworks. And I wasn't dressed appropriately.
How come? Were you out in a pair of trunks in the middle of winter?
Well, I had my leather coat on.
Mm-hmm.
But I guess I never had on a toque.
And
No gloves.
Was your leather coat done up with a zipper?
No.
No. Ding, ding, ding.
But you were cold too.
I was cold, but I had a big, big scarf on, bigger than this one. And I had my big jacket on. I had my gloves on. I was very well prepared.
That's a poutine, guys.
But Daryl didn't have his coat done up. He left the zipper open. And when cold gets in my opinion, when a cold gets in, it's not good.
Not good at all.
We have the results that we have, don't we?
Uh-huh.
Because we didn't listen to our wife, right?
Mm-hmm.
Aww. I only ever tries to help you, honey.
I know, and thank you.
Anyway. Making sure Daryl takes some meds. Doing some at-home remedies.
Honey mustard.
I think you'll be fine within the next day or two. You know?
Yes.
My husband.
That's a done honey mustard.
Look, Daryl.
Cool. Dip it in sauce.
I'm just saying. Good choice. Honey mustard.
Want some more chicken bites?
I'm good.
Dip your wrap in there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Now.
Now we're talking.
You want the rest of that? Dip your stuff? We all think you should.
No.
Take it. Have my chicken bites again now. Take it. Good choice. Now I get to finish my gorgeous poutine. Poutine.
dip honey mustard
Yeah.
onto my wrap. Mmm.
Look.
Tater.
The last chicken bite, guys. With gravy and cheese.
Mmm.
Mmm. Oh, there's another little one. Oh. Mmm. Mmm.
Mmm. So good.
Too good to talk, guys.
Mm-hmm. No, it is.
Mmm. Mmm.
Gosh, I still have a lot of taters left. Can't eat them all.
Oh. Take it.
Mm-mm.
Oh, I got the flu.
Thank you.
Mmm.
Yummy. I still have a lot of taters left. Oh,
Take your time and eat them,
I can't eat them all, so you gotta help me. I just can't.
Want some more honey mustard?
Nope. I'm full.
Honey mustard on that tater, guys.
Oh, excuse me.
Mmm.
Num num num. Mmm.
Mmm.
You're so quiet again today.
It hurts me to talk.
That's not
That's in
good.
my throat.
That's not good.
The flu is not a good thing.
No.
So dress up warm next time he goes out.
Mm-hmm.
If not, you will have results like I got. Not a
Yeah.
good scene.
We had fun at our fireworks.
Mm-hmm.
It was nice. We met some new people. It was fun.
Uh-huh.
But Daryl should have dressed warmly.
Ah.
Rascal. I'm done. Last tater. Take the last bite.
Could you...
I'm done. I'm full.
Look what she left me, guys. How come you couldn't eat those taters? Mmm.
That's And then
Sure.
so good. Oh, that water's good. Well, Santa, your time is almost up for this season.
Uh-huh.
Hey, Joe. We'll have to catch in with you next year.
I'm retarded after eating all that greasy food.
Yep. That's why we don't eat greasy food a
Along
lot.
with the flu.
Yeah. You have to go home and rest now.
Yeah.
My handsome. So this wraps up another mukbang today with Ralphie's. We hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, smack up that big thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so. And we'll catch you guys right here next time on the Ralphie's with the mukbang or an ASMR.
Say peace out to Santa.
Peace. Bye, Santa. Check in with you real soon.
Have a great day, everyone.